How to share Amazon wish list on OnlyFans. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can share your Amazon wish list on OnlyFans. Yes, you can always share your Amazon wish list on OnlyFans. Now, how do you go about this? First thing to do is to log in into your OnlyFans account. Once you're logged in, like I have done here, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options such as home, notifications, messages, collections, subscriptions, ad card, profile, more. Our focus in today's tutorial is on profile. So just scroll down to profile and click on it. Once you click on it, on the profile page, by towards the left side of the screen, you will see edit profile. Click on it. Once that is done, on the edit profile page, you would see your username, name, bio, etc. Just scroll down until you see Amazon wish lists. So all you need to do is to add your link to your Amazon wish list here. Once you add it, you click on save. Once it is saved, automatically anyone who is your follower or your subscriber or has access to your account will be able to access your Amazon wish list. Now, to share your Amazon wish list is not difficult as long as the people you want to share your Amazon wish list to are following you as a friend on Amazon. That is all you need to do. So once you have your list set up, you can add it to your OnlyFans profile. Just go ahead to edit profile like I have done here and scroll down to the lower part of the page where you can see Amazon wishlist. Then in the Amazon wishlist field, add your link and click on save. Save is located at the upper part of the screen. Once you add your link here, the save icon will be highlighted and then you'll be able to click on it. Once you click on it, your Amazon wish list would be shared. This is how to share your Amazon wish list. Thanks for watching.